An Apologeticall Narration, Hvmbly submitted to the Honourable Houses of Parliament. By Thomas Goodwin, Philip Nye, Sidrach Simpson, J. Burroughs, William Bridge. London, printed for Robert Dawlman, M.DC.XLIII. 1643, was a theological tract submitted by 5 independent preachers to the English Parliament on January 3, 1644 as a part of the debates taking place during the Westminster Assembly. An Apologeticall Narration was written by Thomas Goodwin, Philip Nye, Sidrach Simpson, Jeremiah Burroughes, and William Bridge, sometimes referred to collectively as the 5 Dissenting Brethren. The 5 authors had all been exiled in Holland in the 1630s and had links to the New England churches. The pamphlet can be seen as a manifesto of congregationalism, where churches would be independently organized, although maintaining fraternal links. The 2 biggest evils for these congregationalists, or independents, were sectarianism and intolerance, although there were some limits to tolerance. But while arguing for some measure of congregationalist independence, the pamphlet also aimed to reassure the Presbyterian majority that the gathering of independent churches was not about to create ecclesiastical disorder. Thus, it was not necessary to secure uniformity in the new constitution of the Church of England. This conciliatory tone accounts for the harsh judgments on the separatists and the Brownists.Despite the book deliberately seeking a moderate, indeed apologetical, tone. It launched an enormous amount of printed debate that definitively split the godly community into the Presbyterian and independent factions. This included a rebuttal by Adam Steuart, published in February.Veronica Wedgwood, argues that by submitting the tract direct to Parliament, rather than the Westminster Assembly, this was an effective way of bringing their point of view to a wider public without exposing it to controversy in the Assembly, where it would have faced being out-argued and they themselves would have been outnumbered.